Okay, guys, I've been getting a lot of questions about how you retrieve things that you have deleted on Google Docs. And I'm going to show you two different ways. If you accidentally delete something, like you hit the keypad, if I type something and then I delete it, an easy way to get back what you've just deleted is to go up here to the undo button. You can click undo and it will undo the last thing that you have done. Sometimes you can continue to click that and undo a number of things. However, I find more and more that people are coming in and asking me questions or telling me things like, yesterday I typed it and today it's not here. Now we know that Google saves everything, so chances are somebody who you shared the document with or even yourself has deleted something. Now you can look in two places for that. One, you can go to your Google Drive and you can always look in the trash. If you just click on trash, you'll see anything that's actually been deleted. Now you can see I've deleted a bunch in the last week when I was cleaning up things. However, if you don't find it in the trash, you can go back to your document and there's one more thing you can try. If you go to File, go down to Version History, because remember, Google saves for you at different times while you're typing. You can see this up here. There says all changes saved in Drive. So File, Version History, see Version History. If you click on that, over on the right-hand side, you're going to see all the times that Google has saved your changes. So if I go to the very bottom one, I have a blank page because that's what I started with. Now, this morning, this was my goal that I typed in here. 10:03, it'll show you that I deleted that, and if I revert to this, it will take away those things. So the way that I get it to go back to that version is I go up here to restore this version, and I click on it. And it'll ask me to make sure, and if I click on it, this is what will come back. So give this a try before you come to me and ask what happened to my document. Hope this helps.